morning guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and please ignore my hair and my face cause I just woke up and today I'm going to start my day with a workout and then eat my brekkie. Today it's going to be a very fun vlog cause we are going out today for shopping, and today I am also going to meet my friend. मैले उलाई नभेटेको चाहिँ धेरै भयो, नेपालबाट आएबाट नै मैले भेट्न पाएको छैन. I don't know if I will vlog meeting my friend or not, but we will see. All right, look what I'm wearing today guys. Hawaldar kattu. Yes. Just finished the workout guys, went ham today. Oh, that was fun. Look at that. Ooh, lot of sweat. Okay guys, for my brekkie today I'm just eating a toast with some butter. I'm not feeling really hungry today, and I'm also saving my appetite for later today cause I will be grubbing a lot when I am at my friend's house. So yes guys, you gotta eat carefully. Okay guys, here's my trick. Hey, I'm just sharing with you guys. Whenever I'm going out or someone has invited me for dinner, I don't like to eat a lot in the morning time. I just eat something like this. And त्यसपछि lunch time ma pani I will eat my lunch, but not a lot, salad अथवा fruit त्यस्तोहरु खान्छु so that I have, lots of calories left for later. So yeah, there's a trick for you guys. I don't know if you guys will like my way, but this is my way and it works every single time. And I highly recommend you guys to eat something. पहिला चाहिँ म एकदमै डाइट गर्थे टु बी ऑनेस्ट. त्यतिखेर चाहिँ मैले केही खाँदै खान्थेन, लाइक बेलुका सिधै बेलुका खान्थे, एन्ड द्याट्स रियली ब्याड फर यु. पछि हेल्थ प्रब्लम्सहरु आउन सक्छ. त्यही भएर इट समथिङ, फ्रुट, टोस्ट त्यसरी खानु अनि you will be good to go. So guys, I have just applied aloe gel mask, and the good thing about this gel mask is that you can leave it for as long as you want. And my husband, he used it for 2 nights and he loved it. He was like, can you give me that aloe mask? I really love it. I want to apply it tonight as well. So he used that yesterday as well. यो मास्कलाई चाहिँ यतिकै छोड्दिने हुन्छ अनि भोलि बिहान मुख धोए हुन्छ. So today I'm gonna be super lazy and then edit my videos and take my shower later. Look at this guys, I cleaned my kitchen and it looks so beautiful. I just love it. By the way, I used this one to clean my kitchen, and this stuff is really good guys. My husband got this one from I don't know where, but this stuff is hands down guys. I really love it and highly recommend it. This is the brand. Take a picture and definitely get it if you see it somewhere. So that's my kitchen and I'm really proud of myself. By the way, look at this guys. This is a bear. It was like this, but it came out of this ball, so I just kept it there. By the way, I bought this ball slash pot for my bath bombs, but right now I don't use any bath bombs, so it was just staying in my room and I really wanted to make a use out of it, so I used this one as my dishwashing liquid pot. It works and it is pink as well, my favorite color. Look at this guys, it looks like this after applying the aloe mask. मैले कति 1-2 घण्टा त छोड्यो होला हैन, and it looks so nice and my skin feels so soft and I love it. So हिजो चाहिँ मेरो बुढाले चाहिँ यो पानी माथि लिएर आएको थियो अनि he was like, I'm gonna take this upstairs, and म चाहिँ मेरो त्यो स्कुलमा सरहरुले खान्थे नि घट गरेर हो त्यसरी खान्छु. I need something to cover the glass भनेर भने के. अनि मैले उलाई भने त ओभर एक्टिङ नगर, तिमीले खान्न मलाई थाहा छ भन्थे नि. मलाई खान्छु के, म राति खान्छु भन्दै थियो नि. Okay, there you go. I gave him the plate and look what he has done. एउटा नि पानी खाएको छैन, छोको छैन, स्टाइल पार्नको लागि मात्र ल्याएको. He's so funny. By the way, I also gave him this moisturizer yesterday. His skin is kind of dry, so I told him use this one. It is daily moisturizer and it is very light as well. He's been using this since yesterday, so I hope he will enjoy this. हिजो चाहिँ for some reason मेरो iWatch charge नै भएको थिएन, so I'm gonna leave it for charging. while I take my shower. So guys, I just did my makeup and my hair as well. I went for a blue smoky eyes and candy K lipstick, and I just love today's look. By the way guys, I'm gonna go ahead and change my outfit for today as well, cause I'm going out today and I just don't want to come upstairs later. So yes guys, I'm gonna go ahead and change my outfit. So for my outfit today, I will be wearing this top which is from Dorothy, and I will also be wearing my leggings from Primark. आज चाहिँ मैले यो blue top लाउँदै छु, त्यही भएर चाहिँ मैले मेरो मेकअप पनि blue smoky eye गरेको थिएँ. So yes guys, really happy with my outfit and makeup today. Yay guys, I got few packages and I'm really excited to show what I got. So let's go ahead and see what's inside here. So यो वालामा चाहिँ मेरो बेली रिङ्सहरु छ. मैले चाहिँ यो अस्ति नै मगाएको थिएँ. यसमा चाहिँ कतिवटा 1 2 3 4 5 पाँचवटा बेली रिङ्सहरु छ. यो चाहिँ ब्लू कलरको हो, यो चाहिँ ग्रीन कलरको हो, अनि यो पनि ब्लू कलरकै हो तर अलि डिफरेंट टाइपको ब्लू छ. अनि यो चाहिँ पिंक कलरको हो, एन्ड लुक एट दिस, यो चाहिँ कालो कलरको हो. यो चाहिँ मैले इबेबाट किनेको गाइज. आई डोन्ट नो कति तिरे, मैले 1 पाउन्ड जस्तै तिरे होला. चाइनाबाट मगाएको, एकदमै चीप छ, एकदमै राम्रो क्वालिटीको पनि छ. सो आई लभ इट. सो द्याट्स द्याट. अब यसमा के छ हेरौँ है त. I know what is this. This is my Apple Watch strap guys. You know, म चाहिँ पार्टीमा गएको थिएँ नि त recently, and I was wearing this Apple Watch and it didn't look really pretty with the saris and stuff. So I thought I should get a, you know, metal strap so that I can use it while I'm going on parties, or sometimes when I'm going out for dinner dates, or sometimes when I'm wearing girly outfits. I can use this strap. It is so pretty. I just can't wait to, you know, change this and wear this today. I will ask my husband to, you know, resize it for me, and it is in rose gold color and it is so nice. Look at this. Love it. The quality is really great as well. I got this one from eBay as well and paid around 5 pounds for this. Yo stickerहरु कन्ज्युमर एकदमै मजा लाग्छ. So let's go ahead and remove this. Yeah, very satisfying. यो उक्काउन चाहिँ मलाई एकदमै मजा लाग्छ. So pretty. It is in rose gold color and it matches with my watch as well. So I just can't wait. I don't know if you guys can see, but यो चाहिँ यस्तो broken आएको रहेछ. Look at this. यो चाहिँ यहाँ हुनु पर्ने हो, यहाँ यो दुलोमा, तर यो चाहिँ broken भएको हुनाले चाहिँ I cannot use it. What a boo boo guys. I was really excited for this and it is a total fail. I will contact the seller and ask him for a full refund or a replacement strap. So let's see ke huncha. I will update you guys very soon. Last night I was looking for my glasses everywhere and I couldn't find it, and look where it was. Oh dear. Luckily I have 3 pairs of glasses. So I used this one last night, but this is my favorite, to be honest guys. I don't know why. It doesn't hurt my ears as well, so I just love this one. Finally I got it. Okay guys, I was editing my videos and I made a new intro for you all. I'm not good at it, but I tried my best. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked my intro or not. So as you guys already know, म चाहिँ नेपाल गएको थिएँ, so I got some goodies for my friend as well. So this is the challa for her. It is in red and green color, sorry, green and red color, and it has lots of mirror and beautiful detailing in gold color. I just love this. And I also got this hair tie for her and her daughter as well, and this is for Dai. I don't know what do you call this, but it is a keychain and it is so cute. I hope they will like their Koseli from Nepal. So guys, अहिले चाहिँ म बाहिर हो, मेरो बुढाको कामको बाहिर आएको. मेरो बुढाको चाहिँ सानो काम थियो, त्यही भएर क्विकली काम फिनिश गरेर आउँछ अनि त्यसपछि हामी शपिङ गर्न जाने हो लिडल अनि सेन्सबरीमा. पहिला चाहिँ सेन्सबरी जाने, त्यसपछि लिडल जाने हो, अनि त्यसपछि मात्रै we will go to our friend's house. So अहिले चाहिँ हामी लिडलमा आइपुग्यो गाइस. हामीले चाहिँ सेन्सबरी जाने प्लान चाहिँ क्यान्सल गर्यो. र look at these flowers, so pretty. यो येलो कलर को पनि छ, पिंक कलर को अनि रेड कलर को. यो रोज चाहिँ मैले मीनाहरुको लागि पिक गर्दिएको छु सो प्रिटी दाइको रिसेन्टली प्रमोसन भएको थियो त्यही भएर यो चाहिँ भेजिटेबल आयल हो मैले चाहिँ ब्रोकोली लिएको छु टमेटो पेपर हैन के लिएको छु अनि हामी जाँदै हो अगाडि अहिले चाहिँ हामी फ्रोजन आइलमा हो लिडल चाहिँ यस्तो देख्छ हाम्रो ट्रली चाहिँ अलमोस्ट भरिसकेको छ स्वीट कर्न चिप्सहरु पोर्क बेली दुध सबै लिएको छ यहाँ चाहिँ एलोभेरा जुस पनि पाउँदो रहेछ तर प्राइस नै देखेको छैन ड्राई स्याम्पू छ मसँग ड्राई स्याम्पू त्यो स्प्रे के मेरो सिद्धिन लाखा के सफा गर्ने स्प्रे त्यो तिमीले अस्ति ल्याएको थियौ नि यहीँबाट किनेको हो र लिडलबाट नेपालको जस्तो बोतलको डाइट कोक सो क्यूट एउटा हर्पिक हाल न त्यत्रो धेरै त छैन एउटा मात्रै हाल एउटा हाले पुग्छ पछि सिद्धै हैन आउने नि यो नि सिद्धिन लाखा के हाम्रो हाप्दा जस्तो बाँकी बाथरुमको स्प्रे आई डोन्ट नो मलाई त त्यो एन्टिब्याक्टेरियल त्यो तिमीले गरेको मन परेछ के अरे
एन्टिब्याक्टेरियल मल्टी सर्भिस
हो त्यस्तै एन्टिब्याक्टेरियल मल्टी अलि उता यही हो बेबी प्याकिङ चेन्ज भएको यसको नाम चाहिँ त्यही छ के मैले बिहान यही चलाएको थिएँ कि म यही लिन्छु ल कुन लिने ल त्यो 75p मात्रै पर्छ तर यसको कलर चाहिँ व्हाइट रहेछ हैन सबैको व्हाइट नै छ प्रोडक्ट चाहिँ सेम हो जस्तो लाग्छ हामीलाई चाहिँ हो यो वाला लैजान लाग्यो अनि कुन चाहिँ हो यो वाला के अन्डा नि छ है बेबी अन्डा कति धेरै है guys, आजको लागि यति नै थ्यांक यू सो मच फर वाचिङ माई भिडियोज प्लिज मेक श्योर टु लाइक शेयर कमेन्ट एन्ड सब्सक्राइब फर मोर सी यू सून बाय सो गाइज म भर्खरै घर आइपुगे अनि सामान पनि मिलाइ भए मेरो बुढाले चाहिँ क्विक सावर लियो अनि इज रेडी नाउ सो वी आर रेडी टु हेड आउट टु माई फ्रेन्ड्स हाउस एन्ड आइ एम सो टायर्ड गाइज आइ एम रनिङ हियर एन्ड देयर अनि मेरो साथी बिना र दाइला चाहिँ मैले सानो बुद्धनी लिइदिएको छु त्यसमा चाहिँ 3टा क्यान्डल राख्न मिल्छ एन्ड इट इज भेरी नाइस सानो चिनो